Hi guys, so today in science we're starting with the module opener in Inspire Science. So I wanted to go over the 2 pages that you're doing and kind of talk about, I guess, how we're starting this module. So of course we always learn about a different career you could have that relates to the science field. So because we're learning about space, there are space scientists. There's different names for them. Astronomer is one of them. But down here, it tells us a little bit about a space scientist. So this says, our latest observations show that sunspot levels are increasing, but continue to be far below average. This indicates that the sun has entered a period of unusual low magnetic activity. It's amazing to think that these tiny dark spots we see on the surface of the sun are actually brighter than the full moon, and many are much larger than Earth. We know that sunspots are caused by solar magnetic fields in the outer layer of the sun, but we don't know what causes the number of sunspots to change. Some scientists have proposed that there seems to be a connection between sunspot activity and weather patterns on Earth. This connection does not imply cause and effect. Okay, so some scientists are thinking that these sunspots can relate to the weather that we see here on Earth. Again, they don't say all scientists, it's not proven, but this is something that some scientists have made a hypothesis about. So down here, you need to answer, why is it important for space scientists to continue observing the sun? So I want you to think about, why is the sun important for us? And then why would it be important for space scientists to continue observing the sun? So that's your first page. That's 265. You're also going to do page 266. This is just, where friends are talking and you say who you agree with most. So Emmy and Dexter were talking about Earth and the sun. They each had different ideas about movement in the Earth-Sun system. This is what they said. Emmy says, I think the Earth moves around the sun. Dexter says, I think the sun moves around Earth. Who do you agree with most? And explain why you agree. You guys already know the answer to this because we have already read about it and you've already learned about it in previous grades. So tell me right here who you agree with and then explain why you agree. So that is your assignment today for science.